You must watch this video if you want to monetize your RedNote accounts through brand sponsorship. A lot of creators think I just need to post consistently, grow my following, then brand will come to me. No, if you don't know what kind of content attract brand, or where even to find them, you're working hard with no direction. And that means no deal. But don't worry, with the strategy I'm going to introduce you today, your RedNote account can be a money-making machine. And what most creators don't know about, landing brand deal on RedNote isn't really about your following number. So what actually matters? That's why today I'll break it down step by step. Make sure you save the video and watch till the end because this could change everything. Let's dive in. You need to understand brands are not scrolling on RedNote hoping to find you. So here's the thing, you need to put yourself out there first, so brand can actually find you. Otherwise, you'll stay invisible. Here are 3 ways available on the market to land brand deal, which doesn't require you have a massive following. First, KOL Marketplace. On RedNote, creator with following are KOLs, stand for Key Opinion Leaders. RedNote make it super easy for creators to monetize because they have a built-in marketplace. It's like a matchmaking platform for creator and brand. Think of it as Fiverr for influencer, where brand can search for creator to work with, and creator can apply for brand campaign. So how to be a KOL on RedNote? As long as you have over 1K followers, you can apply for it by yourself. How to do it? Heading to the Creator Center on your RedNote account. Click on Brand Collaboration and follow the prompt to apply. For a detailed step-by-step guide, check out the image post on my Instagram and RedNote. And this is just the beginning. Later on, I'll show you how to attract brands so they wanting to work with you. But next, let's talk about the second way to land a brand deal, which is agencies and networking. Think about how brands, especially international brands, launch mega campaigns that need thousands, even tens of thousands KOLs. How do they pull that off? They work with marketing agencies. That's why networking with agencies can give you access to these big campaigns. For example, I'm the founder of the RedNote agency myself, and I've managed 6-figure campaigns in the past 5 years that help brands connect with KOLs on RedNote. So make sure to subscribe to my update, because I'm also looking for the talent to work with in the next campaign. You're welcome to comment KOL if you're watching this video from RedNote, or drop your profile in the comment section if you're watching from YouTube, so that I can keep an eye on you for the future campaigns. I know both of the methods I mentioned above are kind of passive. You don't know when and which brand deal will come. That's why you need to take the action yourself as well. Reach out to the brand that you like. I know I mentioned about KOL Marketplace at the beginning, where you can also apply for the brand campaign by filling out some simple forms. But here is the truth. Applying for a campaign on RedNote is super competitive. A single campaign who is looking for 10 KOLs might have hundreds, even thousands of KOL applying for. That's why it's so important to pitch the brand directly. And this works so well for non-Chinese creators. Listen, if you're a non-Chinese creator on RedNote, you can definitely target brand from your home country. For example, if you're an Australian creator with a solid following on RedNote, Australian brands on RedNote are more likely wanting to work with you. When a lot of Chinese creators don't know how to pitch a foreign brand, if you are taking action, you're ahead of the game. Here is a simple step to pitch your brand. First, find the brand that you like already on the RedNote. Second, go to their website and find their marketing or PR team contact. You want to make sure your pitch is sending to the right person. Last, draft a personalized pitch email along with your media kit and portfolio. What's the most important thing here is definitely your creator portfolio. If you don't have a solid professional portfolio that showcases your value, even the best pitch in the world won't land your brand deal. Here is my portfolio and media kit. Let me show you really quick. It has everything brand need to know, like who I am and the brand I work with and the key channel. Yeah, because I have presence on the different channels, so I list them all. Who my audience is, my RedNote Insight and my Bilibili, which is the Chinese version of the YouTube. And yeah, because I focus on the valuable, authentic content, so I wrote a code about it too. Here is the best part, which is a content pillar. I listed what kind of topic I focus on, even the kind of brand I wanted to work with, and exactly where they can fit in my content. Because as a digital nomad, traveling the world, yeah, I'm in Spain right now. I use portfolio to pitch brand that I came across and genuinely love when traveling. It makes the whole process so much easier. And now if you're thinking, nah, I don't have time to build one from the scratch, I got you. I turned my my winning portfolio into the template, so you can just grab it, make it your own without the headache. And the best part, I even included the pre-written ChatGPT prompt for each key section. So you can just copy, paste, and generate your personalized description. No need to write yourself. ChatGPT does the work for you. This portfolio website is hosted on Canva, which means no extra cost. You don't need to know how to code to build a website. Everything is super easy to edit on Canva. And when I say customizable, it means you can change the color font with just one click to match your style and personality. As a bonus, I'm also including a media kit, which is the simplified version of this portfolio website, and an email pitch template, which you can use right away. Also a step-by-step video tutorial to show you how to use this template by yourself. If you're serious about landing brand deal, check out the link in the description on YouTube and grab the template now. Trust me, have a professional portfolio isn't optional. It's a must to showcase your value and skill and kick off your RedNote monetization journey. You will thank yourself later for building one from today. I know a lot of you might be thinking, once I hit 1K followers, brand will reach out with paid deals. Yes, you do need 1K followers to get leads on the KOL Marketplace. But just as I said, it's a beginning. Here is the truth. Engagement rate and the type of content matters way more than just a number of followers on RedNote. Even smaller account can land more brand deals than those big influencers on the platform. Why? Because RedNote is all about UGC, users generate content. People trust word of mouth recommendations. So when it's time to buy something, they want to hear from actual users like them, which means brands are looking for the creators in a specific niche, not just influencers with millions of followers showing off their lifestyle. So you gotta make your UGC profile shine if you want to catch brand attention. How to optimize your profile to attract brands? First, make sure your bio is clear, shows your niche. Because on the KOL Marketplace, brand can search for the keyword in your bio, and the right keyword will help brand find you. If you're into fitness, say it. If you're all about skincare, let people know. Second, you want to be consistent and target a specific audience. So don't mix up your content too much if you just have a small following. Like if you're talking about fitness for women who love to work out, don't suddenly jump into the retirement plan for guys the next day. It will confuse both your audience and the brand. The third one is the biggest mistake, which is be aesthetic. Are you still posting those flawless photo and dream lifestyle? Please, RedNote is not Instagram. It's not about have a aesthetic perfect fit here. RedNote is all about authenticity. If your posts are too aesthetic, they might feel a bit out of reach, and that will hurt your engagement and your chance for brand deals. But if you're in the niche of art, that's a different story. I'm just talking about the regular users. So show the real you, not only the perfect version of your life. And also how to create content that attract brands. Spoiler alert, make space for product in your content. And yeah, this is the biggest mistake I saw a lot of creators make, and even myself. They leave no room for any product or brand placement in their posts. For example, a friend of mine is a travel vlogger with over 100K followers. At first, she was only focused on growing her followers, thinking that as long as she have a big following, the money will follow. But when she hit 100K, only a few brands reached out. She said she was so confused. Then she realized there's something wrong with her content, because she only talks about travel tutorial with no personality or any of her preference in the content. So she switched it up, starting vlogging in a more engaging way, showing her skincare routine while talking to the camera, or doing the get ready with me before the trip, where she tried out different outfits, shoes, backpack that she personally loved. So when brands saw this kind of content, they'll be like, oh, she can include my product in the next video. And boom, she started landing so many brand deals. Here is the tips. You can actively mention the brand or product you like in your content. Talk about product you already use and enjoy. This helps you get noticed by the brand. Last, you might ask, how much should I charge for brand deals? Here's a general rule. A single post on RedNote is usually the 10% of your following size. So if you have like 10K followers, you can charge around 1K RMB for a post. Here are some cases you can charge more. First is your engagement is super high and consistent. Second, you're in the niche with high-end brand target high-end audience. Plus, you're building a personal brand. Yeah, brand trust creators who put their face, name, personality into the content. Compare with those faceless accounts. So remember, landing brand deals on RedNote isn't just about posting content and waiting for the brand come to you. By following the strategy I shared, join the KOL Marketplace, networking with agency, and directly pitch brand, your effort will pay off more. Also, it's not just about follower numbers. Engagement, authenticity, and content that resonate with your audience brand as the key factors. And don't forget to build your portfolio from the beginning so that your RedNote account can actually become a brand deal magnet. If you want to know more how to grow following on RedNote, I have another video introducing it. Check out Grow and Monetize on RedNote in 30 days. Bye, I'm Zoe. See you next time.